Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to disable the touch screen on your iPad using a feature called guided access. There might be times when you want someone to watch something from your iPad without them accidentally tapping the screen, or you might want to use certain apps without worrying about accidental touches. That's where guided access comes in. Guided access is a feature on iPhones and iPads that locks your device to a single app and restricts touch input. It limits access to specific features and prevents accidental touches, which makes it great for different situations. To start, you can go to your iPad settings first and then tap on Accessibility tab. And now find the guided access option, which you will find in the General section. You can even choose specific areas of the screen to disable touch by drawing a circle around them with your finger. So once guided access is active, you will see that the touch functionality is limited and you're logged into the app you selected. This way you can give your iPad to someone without worrying about them accidentally tapping the other screens on the screen. Here's a cool trick. Simply triple click on the home button or the side button on newer iPads to start guided access, and you can choose specific areas to screen to disable touch by drawing a circle around them with a finger. Once guided access is active, you will see that the touch functionality is limited and you're logged into the app you selected. This way, you can give your iPad to someone without worrying about them accidentally tapping other things on the screen. So when you want to re-enable the touch screens, simply click the home or the side button again and enter the passcode you set up. This will take you back to normal iPad mode with the touch screen fully working. So whether you want your kids to watch videos without interruptions or present something without accidental touches, guided access is a useful tool. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.